Welcome to another issue of Virginia Handyman. Today we're going to review Harbor Freight's Pittsburgh 12-volt 100 PSI compressor. This is item number 69285. One thing about this compressor is it does not use a cigarette lighter plug. It actually connects directly to your battery. So we're going to do, I've deflated the tire on this truck. I want to see how long it actually takes to actually inflate this tire on this truck. So I got the valve stem pulled out right now. I already got the hood up. And I'm going to put a GoPro camera on so you can see what's going on. And maybe get a bird's eye view. So let's get started here. The compressor comes, you have your compressor, you have a short hose here. Fuse, switch. Comes with this nifty little bag here. I was kind of surprised that the bag was there. I didn't realize it came with a bag when I purchased it until I opened the box up. You have your coil hose, air gauge. This is where you connect to your tire. Connect this end to your compressor pump. Okay, I got the valve stem put back in there. Like I say, you're going to take this end of the hose, pull that little piece back, and slip that into there just like that. We're going to screw this end right here on. As you can see in this little gauge here, no pressure in this at all. Also, I forgot to tell you, it comes with a couple of different additive valves here that you can use. Blowing up footballs, air mattresses, things of that nature. Okay. First time I've used it, so I want to kind of see how long it takes to pump up this tire from a flat tire. Probably going to have to stretch that coil hose out some. I do like to have my vehicle running when I'm doing this, when I'm draining such a large drain off the battery, so I'm going to start the vehicle. Alright, I'm going to set my stopwatch. We're going to cut this thing on and see what it takes to get to 80 pounds of air. As you can hear, it sounds like the compressor is kicking down and kicking back up. It's doing that because the truck's cold. Still loading the glow plugs up every once in a while. It puts a lot of compression on the alternator at the time. But she's pumping pretty quickly. See the tire race? Compressor's not kicking down. That's because my glow plugs have quit calling for heat. So it's a little noisy, it's a diesel. In about 2 minutes and 10 seconds. We'll check the temperature of this thing, see if it's getting hot. little warm. The motor's cool. My other little portable compressor would have shut down by now. Normally after about 3 to 5 minutes of use with that, if I was trying to just top off the air in my tires in my truck, it would shut down. So I got this one, hopefully it'll take care of this big truck tires and help with my camper tires and things of that nature too. Air shock, or airbags. I got airbags on this. In about 4 minutes, 40 seconds, let's see where we're at. About 42 pounds now. Okay, it's been about 6 minutes, 10 seconds. We're at 50 pounds air. We're at about 715 now. And we've got about 55 pounds air. 8 minutes, we're right at 60 pounds. See how that compressor's doing again. Compressor head's a little warm. Still cool enough to the touch. I thought the motor was a little warm, but it was just the vibration. It is still plenty cool. So where we're at? About 9 minutes. 65 pounds. I need to put 85 in this one. Actually, I'm going to shut it down about 80. Now the proper way to test this is you don't look at you kind of can look at the gauge while you're pumping it up, but to make sure it's properly filled, you need to shut the compressor down, then look at the gauge again. That'll give you the exact amount that should be in your tire. I'm at 75 pounds now. It's been 11 minutes and 22 seconds. So I'm going to let it pump a little bit over 80 pounds and then shut the compressor off and see what I've got. Right now we're about 78 pounds. And right at 12 minutes, 10 seconds. 12 minutes, 33 seconds. We just hit 80 on the gauge. Alright, I'm about 82 pounds. I'm going to see what I got. Alright, I got right at 13 minutes, 30 seconds. I'm going to screw this off and screw it back on just a little bit, let the air off of it, and then check it again. I am right at 80 pounds. So it took about 13 minutes and 30 seconds. So let me shut the truck off and we'll finish up the review. Okay, so it turned out, took about 13 minutes, 30 seconds to pump a tire from flat zero. I mean, I pulled the valve stem, put the stem back in to 80 pounds. That's not too bad. One of my other compressors would have never did that. The little portable compressors that I've got for my other vehicles probably would have never gotten it to that point at all without shutting down or overheating, or I would be here for 30 to 35 minutes. So I'm thoroughly satisfied with it. It seems to be running fairly cool. Like I say, the only drawback to that is the fact that it doesn't have a cigarette lighter plug. But with it being such a large compressor, it's probably going to draw quite a bit of current, and that's why they want you to directly connect it to the battery. Just remember, your red connection goes to your positive, black connection goes to the negative, and that's your review for this 150-pound compressor, air compressor from Harbor Freight. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.